Alright guys, here we are, day 2, just got here. We are slamming the front end so we can get more ground effects. We probably have another 5 mils of space with this helper spring. If the ride height still seems a little high, we may go with a smaller helper spring or just a larger spring and take out the helper spring. Because honestly, we've still probably got about 6 inches of clearance. So there's plenty of space, we're not bottoming out yet. Nothing like that, and we want to maximize the downforce that we can get from the front end. Through 19, when I go to turn in, every single time the front end's not gripping up, so I go to trail brake in, and then the rear end slides, and then it's like teeter-tottering through the turn. And every single hot lap that I've got this entire weekend, I just keep doing that and sliding wide. So, you know, we're gonna lower the front end, hopefully get a little more bite. It may only make a little difference, but any difference we can make will definitely help. So, yeah. First session's up 5 minutes. I'm gonna lock in, get ready to go, and hopefully we can get into 14.
Yeah. What were the pressures that we came in? 37, 35. That was the same.
Yeah, it's rough.
That's pretty high.
I was like, fuck, did we put a bad set of tires on or some shit, man?
Nah, dude.
But we ran faster. All right, guys, we just got done with first session. Went a few tenths faster. It was not, the track did not feel faster at all. I think it was just the track time that made us go faster, just getting more seat time. And honestly, we were running way faster pace yesterday with just some things in the way. So came in, tire pressures were 37 in the rear, 35 up front. So a little overinflated in the rear, but overall, yeah, I guess we'll have to wait and see for session 2. Right now we're still sitting first. We gained a couple tenths, but the competition also gained a couple tenths, so we just kind of like moved everyone forward a little bit. Yeah, hopefully after this second session, people going through, when we go up, conditions will be better on track. It just felt very greasy, sliding through the carousel pretty badly, but I got down turn 19. I'm not sure if it's because I'm braking earlier and entering slower, but the car seems to be not doing that teeter-totter shit anymore, and I'm able to apex correctly. So yeah, got to work on some things, look over the video, and then see where we can improve. Balanced. But I'm saying, what do you think? Fronts too?
Yeah.
Fuck it. We'll bet. All right, so we just got done with session 2. Man, everyone's saying they're going faster, but I was just having trouble with grip all morning, both sessions. This session was worse. So I'm thinking we got a bad set of tires because the first day we didn't have that issue. So we're gonna go ahead and balance these tires, get them ready to go for this afternoon session, give it one last shot, because yeah, it's getting really close. We're in second place. We dropped to the SF90, and we got a Supra on our ass by like less than a tenth. So trying to get this thing up there with the SF90, up there with what we thought the car was capable of yesterday, and regain our position. just got done with our third session. We made a bunch of changes. We went back to our old tires from yesterday because I had a suspicion that we had some bad rubber, and sure enough, we did. We ran faster in hotter conditions with these by over half a second. So these were running 16.7s, and I just got done running a 16.1 in these. So I don't know if we're gonna catch first place. First place just ran a 14.4, so that puts us over a second down, like 1.2 seconds. So good news is no one's catching us though. We're running second fastest in class. We're gonna give it one more shot, the last session, just send it one last time and see what happens. We can definitely get in the 15 still, but yeah, we'll see. I had a scary moment, I'll insert it right now, but I hit the brakes going up to turn 1, and initially it started to brake, and then it felt as if somebody pushed in the clutch on me. Like as if it was a manual car and you push in the clutch and you just get that momentum that just keeps going forward rather than engine braking. And so that was very strange. It was like an oh shit moment. And then I did a cool down lap after that because that pretty much killed my session. I blew the brake. You're good, you're good, you're good.
I'm sorry.
Good luck, good luck.
Thanks, bro.
So yeah, did a cool down lap and kind of pushed the braking zones to see if it was gonna happen again, because I mean that's kind of sketchy if your brake pedal's not working, especially here with all the different braking zones where you're flying. But seemed to go away, and sent it one more lap, but didn't get any faster. So long story short, I just gotta keep watching the brakes. I don't know what's going on. Hopefully it was just a one-off issue, but yeah, one last shot and see what happens.
2 hours later.
I was on podium. Not anymore.
Fuck, man. When I was out, I did my 2 hot laps. I did 4 hot laps, but I did 2 in a row at the end. And I'm looking at the towers, right? And I'm like, seeing on top. I'm like, fuck it, okay, cool. Come in, and he says 3rd, and I'm like, he's fucking around. He always does this shit. Damn. All right, guys, so we just wrapped up the last session of the weekend. We weren't gonna go out, but I decided, fuck it, it's getting cooler out. There was clouds over the track. We could possibly go faster. Ultimately, we set down 2 2:16.1s, so it didn't improve on our time. Yeah, and then we got knocked to 3rd. So pretty bummed. This one hurts because we got 3rd fucking 3 years straight now. It's trash. You always want to improve, and obviously this is not improvement. The lap times are better. The car is significantly better. And that's pretty much all I can take away from it. Yeah, so whoever wants a 3rd place trophy, hit me up. I'll mail it to you. Get rid of that shit. So the room behind me is the camera room here at COTA to see the track limits. I always tell people about it. No one believes me. Hope you heard me, but camera room, COTA, track limits. How's it going? Oh, they're turned off.
Sorry, we just turned it off.
All good. I wanted to show my buddies. Cool. So when your laps get canceled, these are the people watching, and there's the monitors and everything. So the podium staircase, bro. Oh shit. Welcome to my crib. 3rd place crib again. Hallowed grounds, homie. Not that many people have been up here.